The Roche Posay Niacinamide Serum is a game changer for anyone looking to improve the appearance of their dark spots or hyperpigmentation. In this video, we'll be sharing its benefits, how to use it properly, and some important do's and don'ts. The Roche Posay Niacinamide Serum is a water-based gel-like serum that is designed to reduce the appearance of dark spots and improve overall skin tone. Here are the key ingredients in the serum. The first ingredient is Melasil, a new exclusive multi-patented La Roche Posay ingredient that visibly reduces persistent dark spots with long-lasting results. It targets discoloration while respecting the natural tone of all skin. This ingredient is born from 18 years of research. The next ingredient is niacinamide 10%. A form of vitamin B3, niacinamide is a water-soluble vitamin. It helps to visibly fade skin discoloration and works together with Melasil to correct even stubborn dark spots. Finally, thermal spring water is another key ingredient in the serum, sourced in the town of La Roche Posay in France. This soothing water contains a unique combination of minerals, trace elements, and a high concentration of selenium, a natural antioxidant. This combination works together to target dark spots and discoloration, providing a more even and radiant complexion. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Let's now jump into how to use the La Roche Posay Niacinamide Serum in your skincare routine. First, start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Next, apply 3 to 4 drops of the niacinamide serum to your hands and apply to your face, neck, and chest area. Finish with your moisturizer and during the day sunscreen. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the serum. First, ensure to do a patch test before using it on your face to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do follow with sunscreen during the day to protect your skin. Don't use too much product at once. A small amount is sufficient to cover your face, neck, and chest area. Don't skip your regular skincare steps. Use the moisturizer as the final step in your routine after applying serums. Avoid using vitamin C at the same time. This B3 serum can be used both in your AM and PM routine. However, if you want to use the vitamin C serum in your routine as well, La Roche Posay recommends using the vitamin C serum in your morning routine and the niacinamide serum in your nighttime routine. The La Roche Posay Niacinamide Serum for dark spots is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for reducing dark spots, improving skin tone, and enhancing radiance. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more even, youthful, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about how to tackle dark spots and achieve an even skin tone, check out these 2 videos here next.